Happy Memorial Day weekend out there to everyone who served, is serving, and obviously the reason for the holiday is for those who lost their life fighting for our country. So happy Memorial Day weekend out there. It is also a great weekend to get out in the yard since this is a lawn channel and we're going to be mowing and throwing. It's one of those holidays to remind you to throw down some fertilizer. So I will be sharing with you the best fertilizer to use this time of year to get through that summer heat stress. Let's have some fun in the lawn. Let's go. Okay, so this lawn is looking pretty good. I've got my PGR on it, so it's growing at a slower rate, which is nice because I'm not mowing as often. As far as this time of year, throw down your favorite fertilizer. This is the perfect weekend to do it. Get your lawns looking good going into that summer stretch. Kids are winding down from school, getting amped up for summer, so make sure you get your lawns ready for them to be playing on it all day long. Share in the comments down below what you guys are using, what your favorite fertilizer is, what your plans are this summer to help your grass get through the heat. Let me know down below. So I'm going to be going around first doing a clean edge job with the weed whacker, and then I'm going to be mowing, picking up all the dang helicopters that this maple tree is throwing down right now. Those things are everywhere, and if I don't mow them up and get them cleaned up, I'll have like 20,000 maple trees sprouted in the next month. So that is what I'm going to be doing. I'm busting out my Toro. 10 years I've had that thing and never changed the oil on it, and it runs like a champ. Then we're going to be throwing down our fertilizer, and check out this new fertilizer that I found at our local Site One. I'm sure it's probably at the other local Site Ones too, but you're not going to want to miss what I'm going to be throwing down this Memorial Day weekend.
Then let's get to work, all right?
So this right here, I've had this thing since 2013 when I first got my very first lawn, and it's the best mower that I've ever had. Best meaning you know what you're gonna get. Starts every time. Never change the oil, but I do check the oil once in a while. So for all you haters out there that are just gonna say, well, it's horrible for you not to check the oil, pretty sure you can go on their website right now to buy one of these mowers and it says no oil change needed ever. So I was just the first to discover that. Now they just don't ever need an oil change.
How you like me now?
Okay, don't let me down now. I've already said that you're gonna start.
My boy's wicked smart.
I started it for fun, but I really need to go and weed whack first, and then I'm gonna mow. Do you mow first and then edge, or do you edge and then mow? I'm a edge and then mow guy, mainly because I pick up the clippings, so if I edged afterwards, I'd have to pick them up again. So let's edge and then mow. It's like half compost, so if you pull it out, it actually has little tiny sticks in there. Organic matter, right? has another 47% of biochar, and I looked up biochar. It helps with the root retention, so it's really going to help the root system and then get through those summer heat months. So that is what I'm throwing down today, along with Gnome. It's a 30-00, so 30% nitrogen. This bag covers 5,000 square feet, so I'm going to be using this on top of the Carbon Pro, because the Carbon Pro doesn't have any NPK in it. It's just a soil amendment, I guess you'd call it, a soil additive, just to help your soil get better. And then this will give it that green pop. It's easy. I just love standing out with a beer and watering the lawn. So that's what we're going to do today. Carbon Pro G and some Gnome. Let's fertilize on Memorial Day weekend. Okay, thank you for watching. I know that you probably thought I was going to fertilize with Mower, and I will be. I have a couple bags left, but I'm going to use that a little later on in the year. Maybe here in another month I'll probably use a bag, and then I'll use another one in the fall. Hope you guys enjoy your Memorial Day weekend. Enjoy that day off on Monday, and don't forget that the reason for this holiday is for all the veterans who died for our country. So salute to you, and cheers. And don't forget to throw down some fertilizers. Enjoy the mow on Memorial Day weekend. See you guys in the next one. Laters on the Menche.